Secret diplomatic missions, high-level talks, and alarming military demands signal what could be a seismic shift in West Asia's balance of power. Behind closed doors and beyond public scrutiny, Iran is making bold moves. Western intelligence sources reveal that Tehran has been dispatching secret diplomatic missions to Moscow, seeking Russian expertise to advance its nuclear ambitions. The man leading this covert campaign is Ali Larijani, a senior advisor to Iran's supreme leader. Multiple trips to Moscow late last year have reportedly focused on two key demands: advanced nuclear assistance and cutting-edge military hardware. Iran is also eager to rebuild its air defense systems, many of which were obliterated by Israeli airstrikes. And the shopping list does not end here. Tehran is eyeing Russia's advanced Sukhoi 35 fighter jets to bolster its aging fleet, crippled by years of international sanctions. Adding to global concerns, Iran is reportedly seeking Russian help to rearm its proxy militia Hezbollah, whose arsenal has been decimated by Israeli offensives in recent months. However, this partnership isn't one-sided. Russia, heavily reliant on Iranian drones and missiles for its war in Ukraine, is reportedly willing to cross previously drawn red lines to secure Tehran's continued support. These drones have wreaked havoc on Ukraine's infrastructure, fueling fears of a growing Tehran-Moscow nexus. Their collaboration will reach new heights this week when Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian visits Moscow to sign a sweeping, comprehensive strategic partnership treaty. According to the Kremlin, this agreement will expand trade, logistics, and humanitarian cooperation while addressing what they call acute regional and international issues. But beneath the surface, the pact is widely seen as a formal alignment of military and political interests. Tehran continues to claim that its nuclear program is solely for peaceful purposes. But with uranium enrichment levels approaching weapons grade and covert talks with Russia underway, the international community is growing increasingly alarmed. The Iran-Russia nexus is a geopolitical powder keg with implications that extend far beyond West Asia. With a high-stakes treaty set to be signed and whispers of nuclear advancements, the question is what happens next. Bureau Report, India Today Global.